Good people don't tend to have to apply to jobs anymore. That means that we've needed to move with the times in terms of the way that we get our name out there, we get our brand out there. The relationships with those candidates and clients become even more valuable.
It's changed in the sense that people want more developers, they want different technologies, different frameworks.
The nature of a consultancy is that they consult. So our relationships between candidates and clients are completely different to how I see it done in the majority of the industry, and it is about that relationship building.
We really get to know, sort of from a first phone call, what a candidate needs and wants from us. Sometimes it can be completely managing their time and we are the sole representation for them, and you know, they need that kind of full assistance going through. Some it might be slightly different, and it does come down to strengths and weaknesses of each individual candidate because everybody is different.
I think looking at the bigger picture is part of the reason why we've built this model, because you know, you've got the opportunity to deal with a candidate multiple times throughout their career, but also that candidate at any point can become a client. And if they've had a great relationship with you as a candidate, why wouldn't they use you as a client? We've always dealt with the sort of the top 5 to 10% of candidates. And that naturally draws you into the top 5 to 10% of clients as well. But I think in order to grow a business that has continued to grow since the day I arrived, where most of our competitors have probably gone in the opposite direction, is largely due to the quality of people we hire.
We hope that they really think that we care about, you know, what they need, because we get to know them as a business, you know, going to see them over a long period of time, so we know exactly the person they need.
We've got an amazing team that are built from people that have been recruiters here in the past, so they understand how the business works, they understand how we approach recruitment, and that puts them in a very strong position to be able to then recruit the right people.